Loosen the nut with a 1/2 inch wrench. Does not have to come all the way off. Slide entire assembly, top of keyhole, remove pin. Place hand over the front of the roto. Catch the spring shoulder washers. There are replacements in there. Just check them, make sure they're not worn.
Okay.
Remove the tube.
Check the disc pad. The disc pad is worn. There is a replacement pad in your kit, and replace it. Check the other end for the bearing. It's a press fit bearing. If that's worn, it shouldn't be. Typically it's fine, but there is a bearing in your kit if you should need to replace that. And reinsert the tube back into the assembly.
Make sure you have both shoulder washers in the spring. Compress the spring. Slide it back between the tube and the cage.
And then slide it down into that top keyhole position. Okay.
And reinsert the pin.
Reinsert the pivot pin.
Push it back all the way down. And retighten the nut. 100 inch pounds.